How to fix you can't make this change because the selection is locked on Microsoft Word. Hey guys, if you guys are facing this same issue on your Microsoft Word, there might be a few reasons why. I'm going to show you guys a really quick and easy fix to this problem. The first thing you're going to have to do is close out your Microsoft Word, then open up this PC or your file explorer. Now you're going to have to head over to your C drive. Once you open it up, find your program files. Then you're going to have to look for Office, Microsoft Office folder, get inside it, and find the Office 16 folder. Once you are here, there are a few files. You're going to have to find this one, osppwarm.exe. So this is around 231 kilobytes. You can just right click on it, and then you can run it as administrator. You're going to have to do this for 3 times. Now click on yes on this pop-up. Again, right-click on it, run it as administrator, click on yes, and for one final time, right-click on it, then run it as administrator again, and then click on yes. Now, when you go ahead and open up your Word document, you should be able to see the problem no longer persists. As you can see here, the error message has gone away. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If so, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.